Welcome. Today we're starting with the factory 96 Bronco seat for our SEMA build. Tips and tricks on this build will be in mock-up and design, modifying the headrest, changing listing points, adding wings, deleting the armrest, giving us the new Restomod look we're going after. Let's get right into the build. Now that the covers are uninstalled, I'll remove the Velcro tie downs, fill in the channels, then it's time to grind foam. Now that the listing channels are all foam filled, shaped, and contoured, I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks starting with this hacksaw blade. I use it to remove the bulk of the foam before applying the side grinder. Using a worn 36 grit pad, the foam is easily sandable, shapeable, eliminating grinder gashes and jitters. The backrest is all caught up with the bottom. Before applying the 1/4 inch layer of pink sew foam, it's time to modify the headrest area. I've used some of the factory alignment marks to measure the lines for the new design. Let's go ahead and cut and remove the headrest foam. With the foam removed and a straight edge, we can measure our cut line and know that it's accurate. Mark the existing foam on the frame and cut past by a 1/2 inch, giving us the allowance needed. The backing on the 1/4 inch sew foam has been removed and installed. It's time to find center so the bolsters can be laid out. Foam and bolsters are installed with the center lines marked. Now with a blank canvas, we can lay out our design and start patterning. I used a square so I get straight lines to measure from. The inserts are 10.5 inches. Here's the radius pattern. We'll mark it, then trace the outside, flip it over, and get an opposite. The boxing is my favorite part of the build. This is where the seat comes alive, becoming two-dimensional. the seat's all finished up on this Ford Bronco Restomod. Just wanted to show you with the headrest all in tune. Now, if you like the foam preparation in this video and you want to see how the cover's made, we're actually going to show you how the cover's made on the back seat in the next video, so stay tuned.